Hey guys, today I'm going to make some easy baked pasta. So let's get toasting. I've got some 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef here. Since I'm not going to drain this, I wanted to use the leanest stuff. I guess you could use higher fat content meat, but it might be kind of greasy. So like I said, I'm using the lean stuff. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. It's lightly oiled. I'm just going to season my meat with a little salt and a little of this Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Johnny's pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. Just going to kind of mix that into the meat a little bit. And I'm just going to spread the meat out across the bottom of the pan the best I can here. My meat is all spread out. Keeping it at the bottom of the pan like that will kind of help it brown. Now I'm adding 1 cup of elbow macaroni. And also I'm going to add 1 cup of water. And just kind of spread these out the best I can here. And I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt over that, just lightly with salt. And then I'm going to add a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce to the top of that. I did this the other day and it came out pretty good. I also have an extra jar of sauce. If it seems a little bit dry at the end, then I may add just a little more sauce. When I did it the other day, I just used the 1 jar, but I thought maybe it could have used just a little bit more sauce. I'm going to cook it just like this, and then I'll mix it up together more at the end after it's cooked. So let's get that into the toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll just keep an eye on that. I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been 40 minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. I'm going to pull that out and check on it. Alright, see how we're doing here. See if everything looks like it's pretty well cooked through. Just probably taste one of these noodles and kind of see it's going to be hot. I know. Let's taste it a little bit. Yeah, that noodle seems about done. So let me mix this together and I'll see if I think it needs any more sauce. I mixed that up and it looks like enough sauce to me, but I have some shredded cheese here, so I think I'll sprinkle some of that on top and then just put it back in the oven for just a few more minutes till that cheese melts on top. The cheese only took a couple minutes to melt. Let's dig into this and see how it looks. Looking pretty good. The meat kind of clumps up, so you have to kind of break it up a little bit, but let's try a bite. It looks pretty hot. That turned out pretty good. I didn't put cheese on top of the one I did the other day. The cheese adds a lot. Pretty easy one-pan meal there. Annie always shows up at just the right time. Want to try a piece of burger there, Annie? Like that? On a piece of cheese and noodles? Here, try that. Annie approved. So the cooking time was about 40 to 45 minutes, and I had my oven set to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. These little ovens vary a little bit, so you know the cooking time might vary just a little bit depending on your oven, but I'll write all the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.